I'm going to show you guys exactly the download, so let's get right into the video. This is totally updated, guys. It's time to try this method out for yourself, so let's go. Hey guys, today I'll show you to get unlimited coins on Olive or whatever. So as you can see, we're broke, but in the mod menu, we can actually do unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock, and as you can see, it's adding it. So we'll just give it a second for this to load, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to let it load up, and we're going to be all good to go, guys. So let's see what happens. All right, here we go. So this is super cool. 999 coins activated. All right, let's see what happened. All right, I got nothing. 2468. That's not. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can get unlimited coins on Olive. So let me show you how to get it. So first thing we're going to do is type tweakmod.com into the browser. So let me just type that in. And now we're going to type Olive. And there it is. So go ahead and press install, and before it downloads the mod, there is going to be a verification. So what you got to do is download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super easy. So I don't really do videos like this anymore, but I had to share this one because it's updated. So let's just see what happens, see if it works. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So let's just see what we're doing. All right, so it's loading right now. So basically it's going to say missing files or something. So you just need to download 2 of these apps from the list. So like Scanners, like search this up. Underdogs, like down and run for 30 seconds. And then we have Lucky Match. You got to reach level 11. So just pick 2 of them. They're probably not going to be the same ones you see from me. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the Olive mod for your device so you can get unlimited coins. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. If this video works, you guys be sure to tell your friends. And peace out, brothers.